How to activate Vinted balance. If you wish to activate your Vinted balance, launch the Vinted app and just make sure that you are currently logged into your respective account. Once you are logged into your account on the Vinted app, this is the type of interface that you will see, so just be patient and wait until the app loads up. After you've done that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Once you tap on profile icon, go to the option called balance. Right when you go to balance, there you'll find the option that says activate balance. So in order to activate your Vinted balance, all you have to do is to just tap on the activate balance button, and then you can just confirm your balance and then follow the on-screen instructions and then tap on activate balance to activate it. This way you should be able to go ahead and then activate your Vinted balance. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.